This video details how to measure earth resistance using a clamp meter, focusing on the stakeless method for multi-grounded systems. The traditional method required disconnecting the ground. The clamp meter method is superior because it measures loop resistance while keeping the ground connected, eliminating the need for physical earth stakes. The clamp meter operates as an induction engine. It induces voltage and measures the resulting current. Ohm's law then calculates the resistance. This stakeless method requires a multi-grounded system. Parallel points form a complete electrical loop, which is common in commercial buildings and utility towers. Step 1. Select a location. Find a grounded conductor and confirm it has parallel connections. Multiple grounding points are essential for accurate measurement. Step 2. Turn on the meter and verify safety. Check the line for voltage before opening the jaws, as high voltage can damage the meter. Step 3. Clamp the jaws securely around the conductor. Ensure the jaws close completely to form a perfect magnetic circle. Step 4. Measure the resistance. The meter induces voltage into the loop and measures the resulting current. The device instantly calculates the exact loop resistance. Step 5. Record the results. Read the resistance value from the screen and record it. In multi-grounded systems, the total loop resistance closely matches the individual electrode's resistance. Crucial safety warning. Never disconnect the earth electrode during measurement. Disconnecting the earth compromises system safety and invalidates the loop measurement. The clamp meter measures total loop resistance. Single grounded systems, like a single pole, create a broken loop and fail this test, unlike valid commercial systems. Match the tool to the system architecture. Clamp meters are for multi-grounded systems. Single grounded systems require a 3-terminal, staked tester, and disconnection is required for those measurements. Official results require certification by a licensed electrical contractor. Accurate execution of this test ensures legally compliant safety records. This method offers safe, stakeless diagnostics for multi-grounded parallel systems. You induce voltage, measure current, and record accurate loop resistance.